satisfied. God bless you all. And remember, guys, can you see this wig? This is from Citi Outluuk Beauty World. From my country, Nigeria, and I'm proud to say that. So, Nigerians, I'll be trying. You can see this. This is their second wig that I've bought from them, from this company, Citi Outluuk Beauty World. Yes, it is really Beauty World. Look at the braids are beautiful. This is exactly, and they customized it to my own taste. I asked them to do this and they did it for me. I wanted it this way and they did. You can see the inner part, and this is full lace wig, and this wig was called I'll put the link and the name of this wig. I think this is their waist length, and it is full lace wig. And this is real woman hair that they used to do the wig. Braids are very, very beautiful. Can you see how neat they are? And this is color Ombre 130. I think so. Next time I'll order 120. I'll order blonde Ombre 27. So this is it. I like the color. It matches my color too. What do you guys think? It's beautiful. And guys, please go and check out this store. And it came, guys, I ordered this week everything. It took less than 2 weeks. They customized it as I wanted, and they ship it under 2 weeks. I received, they told me they will ship it on Tuesday. By Thursday, can you imagine, from Nigeria? By Thursday, I received this beautiful unit. This is a gorgeous unit. I've worn wigs, but I would say I'll give them even 100 stars to this company, Citi Outluuk Beauty World. They are the best for braiding. I think so. And it came with this, guys. You can see the wig bag that it came with. It's very beautiful. After you are through with the wig, you can put it here. It has its own hanger. You can see, guys, the back side. You can see it. Here is braided, is Cornrow braid. Right here is box braid. You can see here. Single box braid. And I did nothing with this, the back. You can gel it down, but this is it. You can see it. Can you see that, guys? Yes. And my hair is buckled because I did